Welcome back to the control center of the most intricate biological machine ever designed. Have you ever felt like your brain has about 40 browser tabs open and half of them are playing music you can't find? You might be familiar with the inner workings of ADHD and autism spectrum disorder. These aren't just personality quirks, they are high speed data management styles happening in the executive suite of the brain. At the heart of the action is the prefrontal cortex, the CEO of the brain, which teams up with the anterior cingulate cortex to handle conflict monitoring and cognitive control. They're like air traffic controllers making sure thoughts don't bump into each other. When we look at social processing and the theory of mind reasoning, the ability to guess what someone else is thinking, it's a collaborative effort between the temporal pole, the hippocampal region, and the amygdala. Even facial recognition gets its own specialized team, ensuring we can tell the difference between a friend's smile and a we need to talk grimace. But for all this high-level strategy to work, the brain needs a massive amount of fuel. We're talking about a serious glucose habit. Your cells are constantly running the tricarboxylic acid cycle, the brain's version of a power plant, where hexokinase and glycolytic kinases turn sugar into pure mental energy. It's a delicate dance of chemistry where molecules like fructose 6-phosphate and glucose 6-phosphate are shuffled around to keep the lights on. Sometimes, though, the power plant creates a little bit of exhaust in the form of reactive oxygen species to keep things from getting too heated, especially during tricky moments like ischemic events or repercussion. The brain relies on the nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate oxidase complex and protein kinases to keep your cellular machinery from melting down. While the neurons usually get all the glory, the real MVPs are glial cells, oligodendrocytes, specialized insulators who wrap everything in myelin, the high-speed rubber coating on internal wiring. Without that myelin, your internal Wi-Fi would be permanently stuck or buffered. Then there's the astrocytes, the brain's ultimate social coordinators. They use G-protein coupled receptors to listen in on the conversation, managing everything from adenosine receptor to the M3 muscarinic acetylcholine receptor. From the septal nuclei to the orbital frontal cortex, every bit of cholinergic signaling is a part of the massive invisible symphony. So whether your brain is focusing on the complex tasks or daydreaming about what's for dinner, just remember there's a billion-strong crew of proteins and glial cells working overtime to make sure the show goes on.